My name is Amy April, and I'm a microbiologist at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution. My laboratory focuses on the relationships between microorganisms and marine animals, and we're interested in how these microbes may be helping these animals survive in the ocean. Right now, it's challenging for scientists to gain research funding to support their science. It's especially problematic to fund small, exploratory type projects. My laboratory, for the first time, is engaging in a crowdfunding campaign. By supporting the Whale Bacterial Buddies project, you're directly supporting research in my laboratory. I'd like you to hear from two scientists in training in my lab about the importance of this research and a little bit about how we go about doing this.
Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Casey.
Did you know that humans have 10 times more bacteria living on them than they do human cells? They're essential to keeping our bodies healthy.
Like humans, whales also have bacteria on them, and we want to find out what these bacteria are doing and how they're contributing to the health of these animals.
How do we do that?
Well, I can't speak whale. Can you?
No way.
So we need to use other methods by studying the DNA from the bacteria found on the whale.
Let's show you how.
We first collect skin samples from whales living in the wild by taking small biopsies. We extract the DNA from all the bacteria and other types of microbes found on the skin. Next, we sequence a region of the bacterial DNA, which allows us to identify who they are. It is pretty challenging to take a whale to the doctor's office, but we think this research will help us better understand the health of the whales in our oceans.
You've heard directly from Casey and Sean about the importance of this research. Now we need your help to get into our freezer and work with 96 skin samples from whales that we obtained from Antarctic waters. These samples are particularly important because they're the first skin samples that we've obtained from animals living in waters that are relatively free of human impacts. There are two ways that you can support this project. You can make a donation, and you can tell a friend about this important research. Your donation will help us in multiple ways. First, it will help me train young scientists in my laboratory, and secondly, it will help us make the connection between whales and their bacterial buddies. Thank you so much for your support.